Hey you all, Carpetbagger here, coming to you live from the South, more specifically New Orleans, Louisiana. And I am outside of what was once Six Flags New Orleans. Previous to that it was known as Jazzland. Unfortunately it was pretty much demolished during Hurricane Katrina back in 2005. And that's been almost 15 years ago, and it is not open since. They've used the wreckage in several movies. I believe some of this was actually filmed some of Jurassic World here, which is surprising. But yeah, to sit here, this full amusement park, it is, it is destroyed in the sense that it is not usable as a theme park, but all these structures are still intact. Now, they don't like people going in there, so we're not going to be going in there in the traditional sense. But I did figure that maybe we could send Possum 3, my drone, up in the air to take a look at what still stands here at Six Flags New Orleans. Follow me. You can see the very faded sign right there. Get a little bit of a peek. So there is some activity in there. Who knows? I think that might be some the Hollywood bigwigs maybe planning their next big movie using the park as a backdrop. Now, one interesting side effect to having the amusement park shut down suddenly is that this used to be a high traffic area right here, but now it's hardly used. So it's kind of has this really spooky vibe to it. These big roads that are just almost, unused. Seems that these various signs have been used for a little bit of shooting practice. And you can see here, someone has burned a massive pile of tires. Those are all like the metal treads or wires inside the tires there. Someone made some sort of hellacious bonfire. Alright, so let's throw the drone up in the air and take a look at Six Flags New Orleans. Appreciate you guys joining me here today to take a look at Six Flags New Orleans / Jazzland, and just the interesting state that it was left in. A fully functional amusement park, shut down forever overnight, and just interesting to see the roller coaster still standing, the Ferris wheel still standing, nature reclaiming the park itself. Pretty fascinating to see, and kind of a testament to the destructive power of Hurricane Katrina and the devastation and the lasting devastation that it has caused to the city of New Orleans. If you'd like to see other places I've been, please check the interactive map in the description of this video. It'll show all the places I've been, and you can tell me where I need to go next. Also, if you'd like to help support the channel, consider buying a t-shirt. Consider donating to Patreon. A $3 or more donation will get you a postcard once a month. Also, I'm now selling smashed pennies in my Etsy shop. All that information is in the description. So until next time, this one's in the bag.